Here we are outside of the Goodwill. We're going to go in and see what we can find. Say hello, Francis.
Hello, Francis.
Grab one of these awesome carts. Today's color sale is 50% off, all red. I found this VCR tape holder for $2. Not too bad. That'll hold a lot of VCR tapes for the store. I found this metal sign, ESPN Sports Universe. Pretty cool. It's $1. I found these two street signs here, Football Drive and Locker Room. They are a whopping $3 a piece. Not too bad. Originally from Hobby Lobby, and they were $40 for the pair at full price. I have an Energizer Bunny in the store, but he didn't have any drumsticks, and I found a pair of drumsticks here for $1. Not too bad. I found this bag of Disney and Star Wars Infinity Marvel figures. Pretty cool. It's $9, and the Hulk right there, he sells for $8 by himself, so not a bad pickup. I found this really cool red Erector box from the old Erector sets. It is $1, should sell for about $10 plus like $11 shipping was the comp. And the last thing that I found here is this awesome Butler frog with a serving tray, and he was $25. Worth point shows anywhere between $150 to $225, and he is $25. He'll look awesome in the store. So I ended up getting everything for $45. Not a bad deal. But Goodwill is starting to do something kind of sneaky. They are starting to price stuff. Like they had a radio in there. There was the radio and two speakers. They had the radio at $15, and then speakers were $9 a piece. Like, who prices crap like that? And then I bought a set of drumsticks, and they were taped together, but they had stickers on both of them. So, like, I had to pay $2 for a set of drumsticks that were used. I just needed them for my Energizer Bunny at the store because he needs drumsticks, and he didn't have any. So just be careful when you're at Goodwill. Make sure they're not trying to rook you into some kind of overpriced garbage. If you like this video, hit the follow button, and you'll get more of me. More of me.